You've been there. A perfect beach day, ruined. The struggle with a flimsy canopy, the fight with the wind, watching your shade literally take off like a kite while your family fries in the sun. What if I told you that your next beach day could be completely stress-free? We spent the entire summer testing over a dozen of the top-rated beach canopies in 2025. We faced brutal sun, surprise storms, and winds that would send most canopies to the next state. And from that chaos, we found 5 absolute heroes. We're revealing which canopies are worth your money, and more importantly, which one is our undisputed, never leave home without it number 1. The results might just shock you. Starting at number 1. Cheapy Beach Cabana. Best convertible. Made from waterproof polyester supported by a fiberglass frame, the Cheapy Beach Cabana is essentially an umbrella with a large, square-shaped canopy and a removable wall that allows you to customize the amount of shade provided. We loved how quick and easy it was to set up, and the fact that even though we tested it on a particularly windy day, the legs are held in place by sturdy sandbags as well as stakes and a sand drill that is used to insert the umbrella pole into the sand. At no point did we worry about it shifting or blowing away, while the UPF 50+ sun protection kept both us and our belongings cool. Our favorite feature is the removable wall made from the same polyester as the rest of the canopy. Leave it off on days when ventilation and views are your top priority, or attach it whenever you want a little extra shade or protection from the wind. We also like that all but the tallest people can stand upright under the canopy. There's plenty of space for storing coolers, beach chairs, and other gear, while summer-ready prints range from stripes and nautical colors to seashells and pineapples. Number 2. Kelty Cabana Shelter. Best for families. The Kelty Cabana Shelter's polyester fly reminds us of a high-quality tent in terms of lightweight durability, and indeed, this product could easily do double duty as a camping shelter. The poles are made from fiberglass, and although they bent in the wind during testing, they did not break. Setup is simple, with intuitive instructions, although an extra pair of hands is useful. One thing to bear in mind, we were unable to put the tent up on our first try due to high winds and the provided stakes not penetrating far enough into the sand. This problem was remedied with some tougher stakes we purchased separately. Despite this inconvenience, we liked the tent for its large mesh windows, which kept sand and bugs out while allowing ample ventilation. We think this tent is a great option for families with small children as it provides ample protection from the sun while still being open and airy. Both the windows and the door can be closed when you want some privacy, while the amount of shade provided remains consistently good throughout the day. There's enough room inside for 3 people to sit comfortably, and the crossbody duffel bag was a highlight, as it is easy to pack and comfortable to carry thanks to its wide, adjustable strap. Number 3. EZ Up Sierra 2 Canopy. Most versatile. If you're looking to invest in a canopy that can be used anywhere, from sandy beaches to stadium parking lots and grassy sidelines, check out the EZ Up Sierra 2 Canopy. Unlike many of the other canopies we tested, it doesn't rely on sandbags for stability. Instead, it uses the angle and weight of its steel legs to stay upright on almost any surface, with a set of stakes included for windy days. Despite its size, we found it to be one of the easiest canopies to set up, even if you're on your own. The polyester canopy uses a silver coating to deflect 99% of UV rays and is also water-resistant. It has 2 height settings and, at its tallest, peaks at 8 feet, 7 inches, providing plenty of headroom for even the tallest people in your party. And with 10 feet by 10 feet of ground space, it's ideal for large groups. Finally, although this canopy undoubtedly takes up more space than others we tested, it's still relatively compact. We love the hard-sided carry case, which uses a set of wheels and a strong webbed handle to make transportation easy. Number 4. Shibumi Shade. Best for windy days. The Shibumi Shade was one of our favorites to test due to its ease of use and innovative design, which works with the wind instead of against it. Essentially, it's a large rectangle of fabric held in place at one end by a curved aluminum pole, but left loose at the other to blow in the breeze. This means it can't bend, break, or blow away, making it ideal for windy destinations and only requiring 3-mile-per-hour winds to work. Although we took a little while to figure it out the first time, setup takes under 3 minutes once you know what you're doing. And with 150 square feet of shade, it's big enough for a large family or group of friends. It's also both lightweight and compact, weighing in at under 4 pounds and packing down to 26 by 5 inches, small enough to fit into most beach bags. Finally, the recycled fabric scores major sustainability points, being made from plastic bottles collected from within 50 kilometers of the coast. Number 5. Sun Ninja Pop-Up Beach Tent. Best for extra height. Combining sturdy aluminum poles with a durable, triple-stitched spandex canopy, this beach tent is made to last. It's also refreshingly simple to use. We found that the poles snapped easily into place for a total setup time of under 5 minutes, while the inclusion of a shovel for filling the sand pockets was a welcome extra. The canopy is meant for up to 4 people, and it provides ample coverage for even the tallest beachgoers to lie out flat without leaving the shade, 7.5 feet, to be exact. In addition to the amount of shade provided, we love that the open-sided design allows the breeze to pass through freely, keeping things cool on even the warmest days. Of course, if you're looking for a canopy that provides privacy as well as shade, this could be considered a downside. The canopy, which also comes with stakes for setting it up on grass, folds down into a carry bag small enough to fit into your beach tote or cart. And that's the list. The 5 canopies that truly earned their spot. To get the best, stress-free shade for your next adventure, all the canopies we featured, including our incredible number 1 pick, are linked for you in the description below. I'd love to know, which one are you leaning towards? Or do you have a favorite we didn't mention? Let's chat in the comments. If this video saved you from a future beach day disaster, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with a friend or family member who loves the beach, and subscribe for more side-by-side tests and reviews to make your 2025 the best year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.